Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're taking a closer look at Deriv, exploring its platforms, account types, trading instruments, and everything you need to know to find out if it's the right broker for you. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Founded over 2 decades ago, Deriv has grown into a trusted broker with more than 3 million registered users. They've built a reputation for offering flexible and accessible trading opportunities across multiple markets that are available to trade 24/7. One of the biggest appeals of Deriv is just how versatile it is. Whether you're a beginner testing strategies or an experienced trader looking for precise tools, Deriv offers multiple trading platforms, each tailored for different trading styles. They also support over 60 payment methods, making deposits and withdrawals fast and flexible no matter where you're based. Of course, as with any broker offering leveraged products like CFDs, it's important to understand the risks. These instruments can be complex and carry a significant risk of loss, so always trade responsibly. Deriv stands out as a modern, accessible, and feature-rich broker with years of experience behind it. The broker offers traders a wide range of trading instruments designed to suit all types of trading styles, from traditional markets to unique proprietary options. You can trade popular global assets such as Forex pairs, commodities like gold and oil, major stock indices, and even cryptocurrencies. But what really sets Deriv apart are their exclusive synthetic and derived indices, which simulate real market conditions and are available to trade 24/7, completely independent of world events. These indices are available to trade 24/7, offering consistent opportunities even when traditional markets are closed. Deriv also offers basket indices, which combine multiple assets like currencies or commodities into a single instrument, allowing traders to diversify with just one trade. With this mix of traditional and innovative markets, Deriv provides a flexible and exciting trading environment for all kinds of traders. And with such a broad selection, the broker caters to both traditional traders looking for familiar markets and those who want to explore innovative, algorithmic-driven instruments that offer round-the-clock trading potential. Deriv operates under multiple regulated entities around the world, including the Malta Financial Services Authority, as well as regulators in the British Virgin Islands, Vanuatu, and Mauritius. This global structure allows Deriv to serve traders in different regions while maintaining regulatory oversight. When it comes to security, Deriv keeps client funds in segregated accounts separate from company funds to protect clients' money. They also use SSL encryption, two-factor authentication, and strict Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering procedures to keep accounts and transactions secure. It's worth noting that the level of protection can vary depending on which entity you register under, so traders should always check which regulatory body applies to their account. When it comes to bonuses and promotions, Deriv currently does not offer typical trading incentives such as sign-up bonuses, deposit matches, or no-deposit offers for new or existing traders. However, they do run a partnership and affiliate program where you can earn commissions by referring others to trade. This is more geared towards affiliates than standard retail client incentives. Deriv provides a versatile suite of trading platforms tailored to different types of traders and trading styles. First up is the Deriv Trader, which is Deriv's web-based platform designed for simplicity, speed, and flexibility. Traders can start from as little as $1 with durations ranging from 1 second to 365 days, giving you control over both staking and timing. The platform is easy to use, offering multiple trade types, technical indicators, and multiple options to expand potential profits while keeping risk limited to your investment. It's ideal for traders looking for quick execution or for testing strategies, and provides direct access to Deriv's unique instruments like synthetic indices. Their MetaTrader 5 platform is Deriv's professional trading platform built on the widely used MetaTrader 5 system. It offers access to a wide variety of instruments, with advanced charting, technical indicators, and automated trading via expert advisors. You can trade on desktop, web, or mobile, and the platform includes essential risk management tools like stop loss, take profit, and negative balance protection. Deriv MetaTrader 5 is ideal for traders who want a full-featured, multi-market trading environment rather than a simplified, quick trade platform. Deriv CTrader is a modern multi-asset CFD platform which features advanced charting, custom indicators, and risk management tools, making it suitable for both beginners and professional traders. One key highlight is its copy trading feature, allowing you to follow experienced traders or become a provider and earn commissions. With web and mobile access as well as 24/7 trading on many instruments, Deriv CTrader gives you flexibility and control wherever you trade. Deriv Go is a mobile-first trading application designed for traders on the move, letting you access markets anytime, anywhere. With trades starting from just $1, you can engage with more than 50 assets, including Forex, crypto, and Deriv's proprietary derived indices, with 24/7 availability on many instruments. The app emphasizes simplicity and control, where you'll find easy-to-use charts, a dark mode theme, and features like stop loss, take profit, and deal cancellation to amplify potential gains while limiting risk to your stake. In short, if you want a straightforward, mobile-optimized way to trade both traditional and unique instruments, Deriv Go offers a strong option for quick, flexible trading on the go. Deriv Bot gives you the power to automate your trading strategies without needing to code. On a drag-and-drop interface, you choose market conditions, stake sizes, trade durations, and stop-loss or take-profit rules, and let the bot execute trades 24/7. It covers their popular markets, letting you deploy systematic strategies even while you're away from your screen. If you want a shift from manual clicking to running a consistent, rule-based approach, Deriv Bot makes automation accessible and powerful. Deriv Smart Trader is a web-based trading platform that simplifies options-style contracts. You can pick stakes from small amounts, select durations from minutes to days, and trade on markets like Forex, commodities, and derived indices with a clean, accessible interface, which is designed for fast decision-making rather than deep analysis. If you want a no-fuss trading experience where you focus on making a quick call rather than setting up full-blown strategies, Deriv Smart Trader delivers a streamlined, flexible environment. As mentioned earlier, Deriv offers copy trading, which is a feature through its CTrader platform where you can automatically mirror the trades of experienced traders in real time. You pick a strategy provider whose style and performance you like, allocate funds, and start copy trading, and your account begins to replicate their trades proportionally. Strategy providers can charge different types of fees, such as performance fees, management fees, or volume-based fees, and you'll see those clearly before you commit. Copy trading on Deriv gives you a way to follow skilled traders instead of trading manually, but it still comes with risks. You're relying on someone else's strategy, and you should still apply risk management. Deriv offers several account types designed to match different trading styles and markets. For live trading, their real account comes in multiple variants depending on your focus. Their standard account offers access to a broad range of assets, including synthetics, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies with competitive spreads. Their zero spread account lets you trade on the MetaTrader 5 platform with no bid-ask spread on eligible instruments. Instead of paying traditional spreads, you'll be charged a fixed commission per trade, giving you transparent, predictable costs and execution price closer to the market. This setup is especially suited for scalpers, high-frequency traders, or anyone seeking very tight entry and exit control, as it avoids the extra cost of spread widening during volatile conditions. Their financial account is designed for traders who want to focus on real-world markets like Forex, commodities, stock indices, and cryptocurrencies, rather than proprietary or synthetic indices. It typically includes competitive spreads, leverage of up to 1 to 1,000 depending on region, and low minimum deposits, often around $5, making it accessible while offering professional-style trading conditions. If your trading strategy centers on major currency pairs, commodities like gold or oil, global equity indices, or crypto, then their financial account offers a focused and streamlined way to trade those markets under one roof. Their financial STP account is ideal for traders who want direct market access under ultra-tight execution, especially for major Forex pairs, Orders are routed straight to liquidity providers with no dealing desk intervention, resulting in faster fills and cleaner pricing. Their Gold account is a specialized account type tailored for traders focused on precious metals. It offers optimized trading conditions for instruments like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, making it ideal for middle markets specialists. With tighter spreads, high leverage depending on region, and the full power of MetaTrader 5's advanced charting and execution tools, this account gives you professional conditions when trading metals. The broker also offers a swap-free account that lets you hold your positions overnight without paying or receiving swap or rollover fees, making it suitable for traders who hold trades for extended periods or who prefer interest-free trading. It aligns with Sharia-compliant finance principles and gives you extra cost transparency. Additionally, the broker offers a demo account, which is a completely risk-free way to explore the platforms and instruments before committing real money. You can sign up in minutes with just an email and start trading using virtual funds. There's no time limit on their demo account, and you can switch seamlessly between your demo and live accounts. Creating an account with Deriv is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, click on the Open Account button. Next, submit your country of residence and your email address. After you have opened your account, you will be redirected to the Deriv client portal. Within their client portal, you can create live or demo accounts. Keep in mind that if you are opening a live account, you will need to submit and fill out your account application in order to create a live account, or you can simply open a demo account. After you have opened your preferred trading account type, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform, or you can use the Deriv proprietary web trader. In our case, we decided to go with the Deriv Trader trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform or simply log in to their web trader. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the Deriv Trader trading platform. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your market watch. Here you can switch between all of the broker's available market instruments, create favorites lists, and more. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. The platform provides a wide variety of chart types, drawing tools, indicators, and more to help you customize your chart according to your preferences. And at the right side of the dashboard, you have a nice and simple buy and sell order window. If you are new to trading and are new to the Deriv Trader trading platform, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content over on their Education Center or on their YouTube channel to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Deriv offers a broad range of funding options, including credit and debit cards, bank transfers, mobile payments, e-wallets, cryptocurrencies, and peer-to-peer services, making it flexible for traders in many regions. Deposits are typically processed instantly, while most withdrawals take up to 1 working day, though some peer-to-peer or local bank options can be faster. Minimum deposit amounts can start as low as $5 depending on the method and region. However, you're usually required to withdraw by the same method you deposited with, or a compatible alternative, to comply with their security and anti-money laundering policies. Deriv's learning platform, the Deriv Academy, offers a comprehensive suite of free educational resources tailored for traders at all experience levels, from beginner-friendly courses covering the basics of instruments and trading strategies to intermediate and advanced modules on topics like synthetic indices, multipliers, and risk management. There's something for everyone. The platform includes step-by-step tutorials, ebooks, video lessons, and interactive guides, allowing you to learn at your own pace and apply practical skills directly to the trading platforms. For beginners, it's a great way to build confidence before entering live markets, while more experienced traders can refine strategies, explore new instruments, and deepen their understanding of market mechanics. With this mix of theory and hands-on guidance, the Deriv Academy makes it easier to improve your trading skills safely and effectively. Deriv also provides a comprehensive news and analysis hub designed to keep traders up to date with the latest market movements. You'll find timely news updates, expert insights, and in-depth analysis. The platform offers a mix of price forecasts, technical chart analysis, and commentary on macroeconomic events, helping traders anticipate market movements and make more informed decisions. Whether you're a beginner looking to understand how global news affects markets, or an experienced trader seeking detailed analysis and strategy tips, Deriv's news and analysis section is a practical resource to enhance your trading knowledge and stay ahead of the curve. Over its years in service, Deriv has earned multiple prestigious industry awards, showcasing its commitment to excellence in online trading. Highlights include being named the Global Broker of the Year and Most Trusted Broker in Africa at the Finance Magnates Awards in 2024. They also took home the Best Customer Service at the Global Forex Awards, and most recently they won the Best Trading Experience at the UF Global Awards in 2025. These recognitions reflect Deriv's focus on trustworthy service, innovative platforms, and a strong experience for both traders and partners. Overall, Deriv is a truly versatile and innovative broker that caters to traders of all levels. With over 25 years of experience and more than 3 million users worldwide, Deriv has proven itself as a trusted and reliable platform for trading a wide range of markets. One of the biggest strengths of Deriv is its variety of trading platforms. Whether you prefer the simplicity of Deriv Trader, the professional tools of MetaTrader 5, the flexibility of CTrader, or the automation of their Deriv bot, there's a platform tailored to your style. Mobile traders also have Deriv Go, making it easy to trade on the move. Combine this with low minimum deposits, unlimited demo accounts, and a wide selection of instruments, and you have a broker that is accessible, flexible, and ideal for both beginners and experienced traders. Security and trust are also key priorities. Deriv operates under multiple regulated entities worldwide, keeps client funds in segregated accounts, and implements SSL encryption, two-factor authentication, and strict Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering protocols, ensuring your funds and personal information remain secure. On top of that, Deriv's educational resources, news, analysis, and trading guides give traders the knowledge and confidence to make informed decisions. If you're looking for a broker that combines innovation, accessibility, and professional-grade tools, Deriv is a platform that truly stands out. Whether you want to explore synthetic indices 24/7, automate your trading, or follow experienced traders via copy trading, the broker provides everything you need to grow and succeed on your trading journey. And that is our overview of Deriv. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.